Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome to AI Tools 101. My name is Sean Seward Jr., based out of Giles County, Virginia, and I'm thrilled to have you here. So, what's this channel all about? Well, AI Tools 101 is your go-to place for unraveling the mysteries of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. Why should you hit that subscribe button? Great question. Here's the deal. We break down complex AI concepts into bite-sized, fascinating explanations. No jargon overload, just pure understanding. We promise to be your friendly AI tour guides. Think of us as your AI explainers. We'll take you on a journey through neural networks, machine learning, and more. Buckle up. Now let's talk language. We get it, AI can sound like alphabet soup sometimes. But fear not. We'll serve up explanations in plain English or your preferred language. No PhD required. Ever wondered how AI impacts real-world scenarios? We've got you covered. From chatbots to self-driving cars, we'll explore practical AI applications. You'll find what suits your interests. Lastly, this isn't just a channel, it's a community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and connect with fellow learners. Together, we'll demystify AI and have a blast doing it. Thanks for tuning in to AI Tools 101. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's dive into the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, stay curious.